Hello and welcome to the lectures of Android development. Why we need a mobile app? Mobile apps offer better personalization. Better personalization means you can make an app for yourself, which means you can add, remove, or do whatever you want to from the app. And in website, we can build it for the targeted audience. Then ease of sending notification. For sending a notification using mobile app, it is easy rather than website. Making use of mobile device features. For using a mobile device features like GPS, camera or Bluetooth, it is easy in mobile apps rather than websites. Then ability to work offline, because you install the app and it's already stored the data in your file manager, so it is easy to work in a offline mode. Then freedom to designing an app, it gives you a freedom, which means you can add, remove and do whatever you want from the app. Then new branding experience, the mobile apps provides a new branding experience for yourself. Then apps can work faster than website, because every time you want to access a data or store a data, website needs from the servers. But various apps, it doesn't need a servers, because it's already a pre-compiled. So first one is a mobile apps offer better personalization. Personalization aims to offer tailored communication to user based on their interest, location, usage behavior and more. With mobile apps, it is easy to treat users with personalized experience. Using mobile app A/B testing tools, you can also test out different experiences for your customer. Mobile apps can let users set up preference at the start based on which user can get served with customized content, which means, for example, you need a change in gestures or colors or any types of changes you want from your mobile apps, you can do it at the start. Apps can also track customers engagement, then utilize its with its recommendation and updates to the user. Second one is a ease of sending notification. Email has been the most used method corporate communication for the past 2 decades, and email is another example of mobile app. The notification for mobile apps, pusher and in-app alerts are both available. Both are intriguing options for getting in touch with app user in far less invasive way. Then making app use of mobile device features. Mobile apps have advantage of utilizing features of mobile device like a camera, contact list, GPS, phone calls, accelerometer and compasses. The interested features significantly shorten the time taken to the perform a particular task in an app and boost conversation. For example, we can take it user completing a form on a banking app might need to submit their photograph to complete the process. The app can enable users to use their mobile camera to capture and submit photographs. Then ability to work offline. Apps too might require internet connectivity to perform most tasks, but here is the difference. App can still offer a basic container functionality to user in a offline mode. The app can provide features like image viewing, calculation and watching downloaded movies in a offline mode. Then freedom of designing. A mobile app gets designed with the several elaborate functions based on the advanced gestures like tap, swipe, drag, pinch, hold and more. These gestures you can use in your app. App can use these gestures to offer innovative functionality that can help user perform a task better. For example, an app can let user move to the next or previous step using the swipe gesture, and you can tap and go to the next page, or drag a function from one page to another place, or pinch it or hold it and use various gestures, and it uses you as a freedom of designing. Then new branding experience. A mobile app can also allow user to customize its appearance as per users liking. This can further help as a personalization front on app. It means that developer can experience with new branding styles for an app. Apps can work faster than website because a well-designed app can perform actions much quicker than mobile website because it stores their data locally on a mobile device, unlike a website that generally use web servers. For the reason data retrieval happens swiftly in the mobile apps. User get complete action quicker on the front end of the mobile apps, again contributing the delightful user experience. These are the types of apps market which is available in currently, which means social networking, mobiles, music, health and fitness, food and drink apps, productivity apps, entertainment apps. We can see that social media networking and mobiles games are the most created and most used app in current situation, which we can see that in 2024 we can get a 573,807 mobile apps in a market. Thank you.